Welcome to our AI Enablement for Everyone learning series. Are you tired of building applications from scratch? Do you want to reduce your coding time? Do you want to ship apps much faster? Then you will be happy to see what I have created using Google Firebase Studio. Check out this travel planner app that I created just by using a single prompt. I need to give the city from where I'm planning my travel. Now it has given me some destination ideas. Let me pick one. Further, I need to give my trip duration. Let me make it as 5. And some interest, what I would like to see in that place, and if I have any food preference. Let me change these options and generate the itinerary. Let's check the magic. See what it has created for me. It has given me the detailed day-wise, timing-wise itinerary for the place along with places where I can eat as per my food preference. Interesting, isn't it? Do you want to create one? Come, let me show you how. To create the travel planner app, open Google Firebase Studio, then give your prompt here. There is an option, click on this one, prototype with AI. Keep your prompt very clear what the app has to do. The clarity in prompts is the key for getting a good response. So Google Firebase Studio is creating a plan for this entire app. Now click on this prototype this app. You can check if you want to make any changes or include any features, and then click on this prototype this app. Now this AI genie is working to execute your command. It will take some time, then it will create the entire app for you. AI has finished coding. Now your application is ready to use. Interested to build more such applications using Google Firebase Studio? Interview Kickstart's Agentic AI Bootcamp covers that in detail. Get enrolled today. Let's ship applications much faster than ever before.